Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread toast with egg. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, 1 large egg, and about 1 tablespoon of butter. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper to season your creation. We'll also need a non-stick frying pan and a spatula to help us cook this delightful breakfast in just a few minutes. It's a quick and satisfying meal. Now let's get our bread ready. Take 1 slice of bread and using a cookie cutter or a knife, carefully cut a hole in the center. This creates a perfect little nest for our egg. Next, crack 1 large egg into a shallow bowl. Add a dash of salt and pepper, then whisk it gently until the yolk and white are just combined. This ensures a consistent flavor throughout your toast. Time to cook. Place your non-stick frying pan on the stove and melt about 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, carefully place both slices of bread into the pan, along with the small cutout piece. Now, pour your whisked egg directly into the hole of the bread slice. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the egg begins to set. Once the egg has mostly set, it's time for the flip. Carefully turn the bread and egg over using your spatula. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until the egg reaches your desired doneness. The small bread cutout can be toasted alongside. Remove from the pan and serve your warm, delicious egg toast immediately. It's a fantastic, quick breakfast or snack that's ready in under 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.